Guys, I hope you're doing awesome right there. And as you know very well that there is having only the last 20 days. The last 20 days to appear the semester 1 2022 ICSE class 10 examination. The last 20 days is there within your hand, and many students are going on texting that sir, we have not completed the syllabus. If you have not completed your syllabus, it's your fault. First, I can say that. And many students are also that sir, we have not started our revision. If we have started our revision, we have not done more than twice of a revision. We have done only one revision. So many other controversies there. And I want to say thank you very much to all my lovable students that you people have filled up with all the notification in my email box, right? And not only in email but also in many other and I want to say thank you very much to all my beloved students, and because of the love and affection I am able to make the videos again and again for you all beautiful students. So without making any delay, so let me say children that how you people will be preparing yourself in the last 20 days. That means now also there is having a strategy, the smart ways of the strategy that you people can secure 40 out of 40. Now also you can secure 40 out of 40. And no, it is not a rumor, it is a statement, valid statement I'm gonna give. The last 20 days 40 marks you can keep in every subject. Now you might be thinking that, even many students might be thinking that sir, हम तो जिंदगी भर पढ़ा रहे हैं, हम 40 से 40 नहीं रख पाएंगे, मगर लास्ट 20 days में रख पाएंगे क्या? Yes, you people can keep. How you people can keep? I will also share the same strategy with you all people. How people can keep? Not only you, many bright students, many toppers, they never read from the starting of the session. They always make their schedule the last 1 month. एक महीना रहता है एग्जाम में, वो from there only they start preparing themselves for an example. I don't want to say such type of things. I am one of them that who has started the preparation in the last 1 month, because I used to play lots of cricket. Ignore that. So 40 out of 40. How you people you can keep, starting with the chemistry, ending with the physics, mathematics, many more are there. So many people also think that chemistry is one of the important and one of the toughest chapter we feel in ICSE class 10, which is a justified notification, which is a valid right, the quarries which you are having, which is a valid 40 out of 40. So if you want to secure 40 out of 40 in chemistry, physics, many other every subject, the first priority should be exercise question, my dear children. Why I am talking about exercise question? Because whatever you take it out means you just go on 2019, go on 2017, 2016, 2013, whatever you will be looking after that question paper. Every questions, I think 90% of the question generally comes from exercise question. I am talking about the ICSE class 10. My dear beautiful students, do not ignore exercise question, because every year it has been a trending. हर एक साल बच्चों एक्सरसाइज से सवाल पूछा जाता है. एक्सरसाइज मीन्स इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट केमिस्ट्री इन टेस्ट क्वेश्चन एज वेल एज एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. इफ you are talking about physics, numericals, examples, numericals and all the exercise very important. If you are talking about mathematics, if you are following conscience book, then after you have to follow all the exercise questions, all the examples. If you are following ML Agarwal APC, the same criteria you're gonna do it. Then remember, exercise question is a Bible, I can say. I always say conscience book is a Bible, exercise question is also a Bible, a Quran, a Gita, whatever you want to think you can. People, again coming to the PYQs, previous year questions, children, my beautiful children, do not ignore PYQs, previous year question. That means if you are talking about a chemistry, suppose chapter number 6 निकाल दिया, electrolysis. In the electrolysis you will be going on chapter number 6, right? And if you are following other book also, other like many students are there, those who are not following concept, do not worry, many other books also you are following. If you are following those books, go ahead to all the exercise question, do complete it. And in every exercise question there might be given एक क्वेश्चन खत्म होगा, एक्सपेरिमेंट खत्म होगा, 2016 2017 ऐसे कुछ लिखा रहता है, right? So do not ignore those questions. Those questions will play a vital role. And my beautiful students, suppose I am talking about, let's say I am talking about chemistry, electrolysis, electrolysis experiment आएगा 4 मार्क का. I believe that, right? So अगेन लाइक मैथमेटिक्स से 4 मार्क का सवाल किससे बनेगा? सॉल्विंग ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, मतलब स्पीड, डिस्टेंस, टाइम से क्वेश्चन बनेगा. दैट मीन द ट्रेन इज गोइंग इन 100 km per hour, but after x distance, or after x distance he has covered more 30 kilometer. In this way the question बनेगा 4 मार्क का, उसमें से एपी से भी 4 मार्क का बनेगा. दैट मीन्स 3 क्वेश्चन यू विल बी गेटिंग. एपी से बनेगा क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, सॉल्विंग क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन से क्वेश्चन बनेगा, और एक क्वेश्चन 4 मार्क का बनेगा सिमिलरिटी. माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अगेन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, इफ यू हैव नॉट जॉइन्ड द टेलीग्राम, डू जॉइन इट, बिकॉज मैनी क्वेश्चंस, many pdf, many things I have shared over that pdf, handwritten notes, many more. All right, so pyqs will play a vital role. Suppose if many students are there, sir, we are good in chemistry, we are good in physics, we are good in mathematics, but we don't have any kind of idea regarding physical education. If you are having physical, if you don't have any kind of ideas regarding physical education, my dear children, complete access question first. Complete access question. Do start doing PYQs. बच्चों, because you don't have time. Only 20 days are there in your hand. You cannot go bit to bit. You cannot read bit to bit. अगर एक बच्चा अगर bit to bit पढ़ेगा, time ही नहीं होगा ना. You have to cover up all the exercise. You have to cover up all the chapters, children. So my beautiful children, do not worry. Start reading everything, and always just your first priority should be access question, PYQs. Do not worry, do not ever try to read from inside the book, because last 20 days पढ़ ही नहीं पाओगे. That doesn't mean I am saying it will not come. It may come, but last 20 days you cannot cover up, right? Coming to the history and civics, my dear children, civics से 15 मार्क का पूछा जाएगा. 15 मार्क. If you have not started history and civics, I repeat children, if you have not started history and civics, go away right now and start doing civics. बहुत सारा टाइम दो civics में बच्चों. You have to give a lots of time in the civics, because 15 मार्क्स का सवाल पूछा जाएगा. If you are following Morning Star, only one chapter is there, if I am not wrong. If you are following other books, 2 चैप्टर बनेगा, right? 2 चैप्टर 15 मार्क, civics का 15 मार्क, हिस्ट्री 8 चैप्टर बनता है, उसमें 8 चैप्टर से 25 मार्क. दैट मीन्स तो जनरली the solution is clear. 2 चैप्टर 15 मार्क, 8 चैप्टर 25 मार्क. That means we have to give a lots of time in the 2 chapter. If you will be giving a lots of time in the 2 chapter, we can able to secure 15 marks. But if you will be giving lots of time to the 8 chapter, with the note that we can secure for 25, but we don't have enough time within our hand, right? So these are the scenario. What I left regarding English, I am very little bit poor in English, like like literature part. So regarding treasure, love, MOV, Merchant of Venice. So I don't want to discuss over that which I don't know anything. I'm not saying I don't know, but I'm having a little bit less IQ in that, right? So regarding English grammar also, you people can kill it. वो भी बहुत इजी, इंग्लिश लिटरेचर भी बहुत इजी आने वाला है. बट तुम्हें चमकाएगा बाबू, पेपर चमकाएगा तुम्हें. हिस्ट्री सिविक्स का पेपर चमकाएगा, ज्योग्राफी का. लेट मी से अबाउट ज्योग्राफी, माय ब्यूटीफुल चिल्ड्रन. अगेन टोपो शीट 10 मार्क का सवाल पूछे, 40 से 10 मार्क का टोपो शीट. एंड माय डियर चिल्ड्रन, इफ यू वांट टू सिक्योर फुल मार्क्स इन केस ऑफ टोपो शीट, चिल्ड्रन, फुल मार्क्स अगर लाना चाहते हो टोपो शीट में बच्चों, एक तो तुम्हें मैंडेटरी करना पड़ेगा, दैट इज ऑल एक्सेस क्वेश्चन, ईयर क्वेश्चन. I can feel, I can smell the questions which is going to come in the examination. The smelling is known as ear question. Topo sheet bachcho, my beautiful students, just go away from 2013 to 2020. Go away and you will be getting lots of topo sheet questions, right? Many topo sheet questions you will be getting. Just do and practice. And the most important, if you are following like Goel publication book in case of geography, I am having Goel. If I am it is a Goel for us. Goel brothers Prakashan. If you are following that, go and just go ahead. And if you are following other books, access question is mandatory. Access question is important. I think everything I have said and everything I have shared. If you have any kind of queries, do text me through the email. Do text me through the Gmail. Through text me through the Telegram. And the most important, you can join the WhatsApp link also, and you can text over there also. Many things. And if you have any kind of queries, again do comment there, and I will be bringing the solution right from the video. And I hope the session is really helpful to you. And do not start ignoring the exercise question. Access question is very important. हर एग्जाम में बिफोर कोविड ऑल्सो हमेशा सवाल एक्सरसाइज में पूछा जाता है. गोइंग टू द CBSE, गोइंग टू द ICSE, wherever you go, access question is the first priority you should give. But I don't understand why children you people are going on giving a lots of importance PDFs, lots of people you are going on getting MCQs. इसको फॉलो करो, वो बुक ये बुक, many books are you people are following, which is a very bad sign, worst sign to appear exam, worst sign of getting preparation. First, my mother always used to say that read less, but read more. Read less, read more means better. That means having the preparation means what? Having the equipment less. Having the equipment less, but read more. She used to say. So do not worry about equipments. Every resources is there within you. The resource, the main resource is your school textbook. That is the main resources. Go on reading all the exercise question, and definitely killing 40 out of 40 is not an easy task. 40 out of 40 is not, because every question will be coming from the exercise question, every question will come from the in-test question in case of chemistry, every question will come from the PYQs. I am pretty sure, because this time the question will be very very easy for your people. And again, if you are following mathematics, examples बहुत अच्छे से करो. If you are following physics, example numericals. So signing off for the today, coming stronger in the next session. Keep sharing, keep loving, and please share as much as you can. Thank you. God bless all.